What's that?
What is that? What is that?
Fruit snacks.
Oh. What is that?
More fruit snacks.
Oh, no, that.
All right, give Amelia her bucket, and you can take your bucket. Where's Jacob's bucket?
My horse.
Oh, cool. A horse?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Jacob, do you see the egg on the window? Where's the egg on the window? Look.
Oh.
What's in there?
Beans. My Mandela.
Dora.
Let's see.
Jacob,
What?
this is your bucket. That's Amelia's bucket. Come look in here.
My cups.
That's Jacob's.
It's 2 cups.
All right, go get Amelia her bucket. Put everything back in. Give it to Amelia.
Oh.
Clean up. Put everything in.
Key.
Good job.
And that.
That's a toothbrush. Put it back in. And get the Play-Doh. Good boy. Put it back in.
And that.
Now I'll open yours. You have one in here. Thank you. Now you get your... Where's Jacob's bucket? Look, Amelia.
Good cups.
Jacob. Amelia, look. Amelia. Come here. Look.
Go.
Diego.
Look. And that.
Fish.
And that.
What's that?
Papa.
Lollipop. Come here, look. Come on, Amelia. Yay! Play-Doh.
Mama.
Mmm.
Yeah, Mama.
You're welcome. What's this?
Wait.
You want some?